Okay, we got the bike sprayed down with the goo gone. My go-to, the Pro Power, of course. Pro Power, not the regular goo gone, the Pro Power, you hear me? Get all this sticker residue and grime off. Let it sit for a good 15-20 minutes. Come back with a plastic scraper. And all that stuff gonna come smooth on off. Then once the bike is, all that's done, we gonna give it a good rinse and wash. And then we can start putting it together. I've been ready to get this build finished, and we gonna do that real soon, so let's get to it. Okay, here we are, up close and personal. As you can see, most of the residue, sticker gunk and schmunk. So you can see most of it's gone. This goo gone stuff does leave like a oily residue, so we still gonna go over with like some degreaser and stuff, but for the most part, as you can see, pretty clean. So let's say we're gonna get it washed up, and we can start building it. So you can see the forks, 2. Pretty clean, Mr. Clean. Just gotta get it really cleaned up now. Let's do it. Okay, now that the bike is cleaned up, the forks are cleaned up, we wanna get the forks back on the bike. So this is how we pretty much gonna start with. Putting the headset and stem on with the forks and the bars, and yeah, you know. If you don't, you about to see. But first I want to see if the, I'm pretty sure it came with a new crown race and inserts, because usually for different headsets they do. Don't want to lose that. Not even sure what that's for yet, but we about to find out, I'm guessing. Make sure my hands are nice and clean with this white. These, hopefully I don't have to use, because I really don't want to pop the bearings out that I have in there, but it should work. And this O-ring, oh, it's the replacement for the one in there. Okay, see that O-ring in there? Sure, this is the replacement, so don't want to lose nothing. We're gonna put it all back in here. And have to lube all that up. But before, Let's see. No, I don't think that's gonna work. I think that was for the last headset. Yeah, I don't think this is. Yeah, it's not gonna work like I thought it would. Shit. Because this one, this stem is made to go straight on a bearing. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but. Okay. So after opening the packaging for everything and almost semi-setting it up on the bike, I realized we got a few problems. First of all, for some reason, Westsde decided to put a semi-integrated headset, which I somewhat knew because I bought one and put it on before, and this is just an integrated. Me listening to the people at Dance Comp and kind of forgetting what I put on last time. So I think I might be able to make it work with the spacers and everything, but we gonna see. But also I realized this didn't come with a head cap or the screw to screw it down. And somehow, some way, I lost all the parts. Either lost or they were stolen out my garage. Maybe I left them outside. I don't know what happened, but every single old part that I took off my bike is missing. Cleaned out my whole garage, looked in every box, and told I got it sitting around. It ain't nowhere. So I did go on Amazon and order the cheap one for now. It's red to go with the other red parts, because finding a white one is, for some reason, next to impossible. But I'm either gonna find a white one or paint this one. So I just want to kind of get the bike semi put together for now. So we're gonna use this red one for now. So I'm about to swap the black bolts out for these red ones and see if we can get this headset to work. Fuck around and find out, huh? Lego. This is my favorite part. Hands down. My favorite part. These 4-piece bar. 4-piece beast mode style bar. I know some people don't like the SC grips, but I don't know. I like them. You don't got no problem with me. Okay, so the next thing I got to install is the seat post clamp and the new seat posts. White, red, and chrome to go with the rest of the colorway. Let's do it. Alright, that's how she's looking so far. Looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. We just gotta get those wheels done. I like how she looking. Like how she look. Well, that red stem cap for now, we gonna keep it on there. It actually, that look good. I like that actually. That looks good. And also, I don't have cranks yet. I failed to mention. The only part I'm missing so far is the crank. So hopefully you will get those in the next week or so. We gonna be riding because the warm weather is among us. It is among us.